Teach me to dance. Teach me to dance. Won't you teach me to dance?
Welcome to the TK Minute. I'm Professor St.Thomass. Today we're talking about walking, of course. Walking is more than simply walking. In dance, when we walk, we've talked about being able to have the body not backwards on your heels, but a little bit forward, of course, over the center of your feet. We call this CPA, or corrective posture arc. Yes, of course. Okay, so you guys know that already. Right? But we have this nice forward walk, and we have our embrace. The embrace is best described as this little circle right in front of us. I like to practice with about a 6-inch space in the front, because that reminds me that every step I take in the embrace is either directly forward into my circle or on the circumference of this circle. Now, I can't step like this on the circumference of the circle. If I want to step there on the circle, the first thing I have to do is roll the circle and then step there, so that I am here on the circle. If I want to go there now, of course, I can collect and then step in the center of the circle, or where that space is, there. Or I would then have to roll the circle again and step here on the circle, or roll back and step center, or roll here and step on my embrace. Okay? Let's do it. We step here, costado or side. We push up from middle and collect. Notice when the legs come together, of course, I have a natural relax, and the top begins to rotate. I step there. My top continues to rotate. I come off of middle and relax into the leg, and my top is rotated as I go to the next movement, up and collect, and the top rolls back to neutral.
Won't you teach me to dance?